What's up guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing mud water and I'm going to be giving you my honest thoughts on it. And no, I'm not just going to tell you about it for 5 seconds and then go tell you to use my affiliate link or discount code for it. So before I jump into telling you all about the products and all the features and benefits of it, which I'm sure you're aware of, let me tell you the reasons why I became interested in mud water. So over the last few years I've had an on and off relationship with instant coffee, high energy caffeine drinks, and pre-workout, which it was a lot worse a few years back where I'd have to go to work or work out and I'd need an energy drink or coffee right before. But I started to notice my sleep suffering when I drank a lot of it, especially later in the day, so I backed off of it and tried just drinking it in the morning and then fueling up on food or another natural energy source. At this point, I wasn't sure what to turn to, but that's when my brother got some mud water and we both started drinking it. And ever since, we have been off the coffee, high stimulant pre-workouts, and energy drinks. Maybe we'll return to that sometime in the future, but as of right now, I'm glad that we started drinking mud water. Now, let's jump into the features and benefits of mud water. I'm going to be talking about the ingredients and their purpose, but stick around because I'm going to tell you how I make it and what I add to my mud water to make it taste better. And I'm also going to be talking about the rest blend and why I don't use it anymore and why you shouldn't use it either. The most important features here are the ingredients and the benefits of them. Let's start with lion's mane. So lion's mane was added to support mental performance. Lion's mane has been a part of Chinese and Japanese medicine for centuries. CHAGA. CHAGA is a mushroom that grows on birch trees. In Eastern cultures have been drinking it for centuries for its overall benefits and soothing properties. REISHI. So REISHI was added to support a healthy immune system and promote natural energy. This mushroom has also been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years and is commonly called the king of mushrooms for its qualities. It has many properties that are known to support healthy immune function. CORDYCEPS. The cordyceps were chosen for its physical performance benefits. It's been used by many to support energy, stamina, and athletic performance. Cacao. Cacao is the most abundant ingredient, both for its flavor and effect. Cacao was worshipped by the Mayans, fueled the daily diet of the Aztecs, and has been labeled as the food of the gods by many cultures. Masala chai. So chai is a blend of ingredients like a naturally brewed black tea and is 100% certified organic. The spices in that are like ginger, nutmeg, black pepper, cinnamon, and cloves. With just enough caffeine to induce alertness, numerous benefits, and a complex flavor profile that rivals coffee. Turmeric. So turmeric is one of the most used foods across the globe throughout history for its color, flavor, and benefits on the body and mind. Curcumin is an antioxidant flavonoid in turmeric that supports a healthy immune system. Cinnamon, so I'm sure you've heard of this. It's a spice that has been used for thousands of years, something you probably already know about. Primarily, cinnamon was added for the taste, but it also has some benefits. Cinnamon contains compounds, flavonoids, and antioxidants that make it one of the most beneficial spices on the planet. Mud water doesn't have any sweeteners, and cinnamon helps you fight off sugar cravings to keep you making better food choices throughout the day. And then there's Himalayan salt. So one of the most important things we need to do when we wake up is hydrate. Salt supports hydration, contains minerals that the body needs, and plays a supporting role in making mud water taste good. So overall, there's about 30 milligrams of caffeine, which is about 1/7 of a drip of the coffee. Now, let's talk about the taste. So to be honest, how it tastes is kind of like mud. Just kidding, but not really at the same time. It can be a little clumpy, as you saw in the thumbnail at first, but once you mix it up, it's not that bad. The texture isn't as smooth as black coffee or tea, and there will be residue after drinking it, and when drinking it, it'll have just a grainy texture, kind of like if you've had vegan protein powder before. That's the closest thing I think I could relate it to. So I'll usually just put some filtered water in a ceramic cup and heat that up for about 1:30. Then add a serving of mud into my cup once it's all heated, and then improve the taste by adding a stevia packet or two, because alone this thing does not taste as good as advertised. The mental benefits are great and I feel more focused without the coffee jitters or anything, but the taste without stevia to me is kind of ass. Now I want to address why I don't drink their rest blend either, because we tried it and personally it didn't sit well with me. So the reason it didn't sit well with me was because it had valerian root. So here's the story with me and valerian root. My friend was telling me how it was helping him sleep better and all this, so naturally I wanted to get some. I ended up ordering some off Amazon, just a supplement, and after I started taking it a few times, I noticed the next day I'd wake up with brain fog and overall feeling groggy. So at first I wasn't sure if it was the valerian root to blame or something else, so I stopped taking it for a few days and I felt fine. Then one night I was like, okay, I'm gonna take it tonight and see if I feel like crap tomorrow, and sure enough I did. So this was before me and my brother tried the rest blend, so when I saw that it had valerian root, you knew I was skeptical. But I decided to keep an open mind and try it because I thought maybe some of the other ingredients in it would cancel the valerian root out. Was I wrong? But don't get me wrong though, it wasn't as bad as taking a straight supplement, but I still felt it the day after, the grogginess. So that's why I don't take the rest blend, and if you feel like that after taking valerian root, then I would stay away from the rest blend as well. Someone also did a video on valerian root and sleep, so I'll link that up here somewhere so you can check that out if you'd like to. Overall, I think this is a solid option if you're looking for some more holistic energy in your life without getting the coffee jitters and improve the quality of your sleep. Another thing that will improve your sleep is my guide on 11 high quality tips for sleep. So if you haven't grabbed that yet, feel free to get that into the description for free. If you're new here, my name is Cole and my mission is to educate 1 billion people on the benefits of better sleep to improve your health. That's why I'd like to add, if you don't have the root of your health and fitness down, then mud water isn't going to completely change your life. There might be many more mistakes you're making that are hindering your sleep and energy. To make sure you're not making these mistakes, click on this video next. I promise you, after you know these mistakes, in combination with what you already know about mud water, and if you pick up the free sleep guide, your energy and focus will explode in the next month or less. Click here and I'll see you there.